Honestly, I can spend days and days at the expo without covering anything. So, my friend Mimi, yes, the CEO of Dell's Coffee at Laos, recommended I meet up with our cool friend and Expo 2020 volunteer Saud. He offered to show me some underrated pavilions that's truly deserving of more attention and teaches me a few words.
Hello, my name is Saud and I'm very honored to have Charles with me.
I'm very honored to have you because you're also a local and I'm sure everyone will come to Expo 2020 is going to love it and enjoy it.
Yeah, I hope everyone comes. We don't have much time left.
So book your ticket now! Fly here!
Yeah.
And you get to meet Saud, right?
I know how to greet people and how to say thank you, etc.
Okay, Chinese. Say something.
Ni hao.
Oh! See, this guy's a cool cat, man. Smart as well.
Yeah, and in Slovakia they say "Aku salmash" for greetings.
Oh.
So yeah, here we are.
Maybe you can teach me.
Yeah, sure.
The Slovakia Pavilion is located in the Mobility District. It's pretty small compared to their European counterparts, but nonetheless, its aim is to showcase the goal of this small nation to transform from its agricultural country to a rapid technologically advanced economy. On display includes hydrogen-powered cars, space mobile robots, and the flight simulators.
I studied mechanical engineering and
So you're smart. You're a smart guy.
well,
Are you trying to show off?
no, I'd like to think so, but
I think he's just showing off.
you're pretty smart yourself.
I don't know about that. I'm an accountant.
So maybe this is the reason why I'm enjoying Slovakia Pavilion, because they have a lot of things regarding mobility, technology. You will see later a very nice looking car and you will love it. It runs on hydrogen.
It runs on hydrogen.
Yeah.
No, so that means no CO2.
Exactly.
Oh.
Exactly. And it says here that this is the representation of the highest level of Slovak innovation, and I really agree with that. We're going to Peru.
Oh, we're going to Peru. Did you bring your passport though?
I didn't bring it.
But okay, at least we can go to Peruvian Pavilion.
The theme of Peru is cultural diversity, infinite wealth, and ancient wisdom will help humanity build a better future. The Peruvian culture is portrayed by the main bridge at the entrance. This is a representation of Kuchaca Bridge, famed for being the only bridge in the world that for over 500 years is annually rebuilt by more than 1,000 men and women. It is argued that innovation and knowledge creation devoted to build a better world is not limited to a specific time or place, which the Peruvians have been doing this for thousands of years.
Amazing. I've been here before, but I'm glad I came again. So everything back.
What's your favorite part?
It's hard to choose. My favorite part, I cannot say it's potato again. When we were walking through the jungle.
Since our admissions tickets are all first class and valid around the world, we are in no rush. So we decided to check out whatever this is. Pretty cool. Towards the end of the expo, there is long lineup for all major pavilions, but not for the smaller ones, including Dominican Republic. This was a simple but nonetheless colorful presentation by a small nation showcasing the history of being the first settlement of the New World and be welcomed by inclusive characteristic of its society and the warmth of its people.
Some of my staff is here. That came from
Kosovo is Europe's newest country. Its pavilion tells the story of an emerging, vibrant, youthful nation whose demographic, statehood, and identity is rich with investment opportunities and the adventure that comes with growth.
They used to have something about wine.
Moldova. You said you've been here, but you don't remember much.
Yeah, it was a long time ago. But I know they have a lot about music. So that's
Well, I like music, and I think, and you guys like music as well.
We do. Everyone loves music.
Let's go and check it out.
The Moldova Pavilion is dedicated to a country brand Tree of Life, which tells the story of a country from the perspective of 5 areas: discover, taste, invest, craft, and wine.
You have to go there. That's where the money is.
The Mongolia Pavilion embraced the nomadic lifestyle of Mongolians that have been held for thousands of years and illustrate how it can coexist with the current and developing urban lifestyle.
The hero, which they call.
Sameem is a Muslim name which means real or genuine. This is an open-air pavilion that tells the story of the Emirati people, the land, and the culture. Its goal is to bring the visitors back in time to the deep history of United Arab Emirates to find warmth and nostalgia for its difficult past, reflecting the suffering that the ancestor had experienced, until the state reached the position it currently occupies in terms of progress, prosperity, and safety. Finally, how these traditions and history is tied to its future.
The UAE have three life before. Life for the mountain people and the life for the desert and the sea. This is a place when you come here you can see the house mountain, and this is the corner is the kitchen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, the kitchen for the old people before use it, make it the flour. This is a 2 stone. Okay, this is 2 stone with this is stone in the mountain. You can take it.
In this section we have pottery, and here we see a guy making art piece. Maybe we can see it.
Yeah.
I think kids ask him to draw art on it.
Oh.
And later he might make something that looks like this.
From clay.
Yeah.
It also celebrates the practice of many traditional professions of its people, who inherited from their fathers and grandfathers, and were keen to preserve them because of their pride in its inseparable inheritance. You're able to witness many Emirati storytellers, artists, and artisans as traditional crafts are made in real time.
So earlier we talked about coffee and dates. Well, coffee and dates. Exactly. Yeah. Let's try our coffee.
Our next stop is Slovenia, but once again, we decided to take a step back and chill out for a musical reason. By the way, Slovenians love dancing and their colorful performance demonstrate this tradition. But we came a little late. But nonetheless, I'll tell you that their theme is a floating green oasis that inspires sustainable solutions. It was a long day for Saud, but the Emiratis are pretty energetic. He wanted to show that there is more to the Expo than a bunch of countries showing themselves off. There's also extracurricular activities for all of us, especially for those of us who love sport and up for a friendly competition.
I thought they were yelling at
No.
So I guess at the expo here, it's just more than like pavilions of countries and countries. There's also like different activities. And
Yeah,
words and
exactly.
Yeah.
If you're interested in any sports, football, basketball, you can play football here. You just bring your team and line up, and you can play. You can do many things.
Like chess, a giant chess.
That is how I ended my second day at the Expo 2020. Just joking. I'm going to burn some extra calories.